Alright, so in this video we're going to show you how to replace the black Delrin nut here on the cup coupler. That's what screws onto the dispenser, and sometimes if the nut is tightened too much over time it can eventually be stripped out. And so the way to take this off and replace it is you'll see that this slider magnet is being held on by this gasket on the nozzle post, and this is an older coupler, so excuse the grime there. Instead of having to rip that thing out to easily slide it off, you can just take some water, some soapy water, kind of loosen it up around there, and then just kind of using brute force, it'll pop off just like that, and then Delrin nut just slides out that way. So then you can take your new Delrin nut and stick it back on the nozzle post just like that, and then just take the slider magnet, just kind of wiggle and push it down that way, and you're good to go.